Welcome back. Well, the see something, say something rule can be applied in countless situations. In fact, we've seen it save lives on more than one occasion. And tonight, you have a new tool to help follow through on the say something part. Local law enforcement believes it could save animals and also people. Julie Frendak learned more about this Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office's new portal for animal cruelty reports, specifically, Julie, because this is just one more way for that cruelty task force that you've done so much reporting on to connect with the community.
Yeah, exactly. Task force leaders say most tips in the past few months have come from deputies who noticed something on a call or the county's animal care center. Now they want to hear more from the community because they know these cases can lead to other crimes.
The cases are tough, but the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office Animal Cruelty Task Force is ready to be tougher.
When animals have no voice, it's up to us to kind of step up and speak out for them if they're experiencing cruelty.
Detective Kevin Carhart was on the original task force in 2015 under a different administration. Now he's one of about 25 members of the current one taking lead on cases.
I want to say there's no limit to the cases we can handle. If we receive a tip, if we receive a call for service where there's concerns, we're going to take that case and we're going to look into it.
Carhart says the task force has a clearer mission this time around, and he's hoping the community will help them achieve it. Anyone can submit an online tip through a new portal on the Sheriff's Office's website.
It's not brought to our attention. We're not necessarily seeing into the backyard, or we're not seeing the cruel conditions that certain animals are living under. So having that tip portal on the Sheriff's website is going to give us access to more information.
The tips will go right to the task force and be assigned to a member. Carhart says when you report for the sake of the animals, you might end up helping more of your neighbors, too.
We might start an investigation involving a large number of animals or some other cruel condition, and we find there's actually a lot more going on in the household.
Of the 3 large-scale cases the task force has investigated in the last year, 2 of them involved alleged elder abuse.
The type of people who tend to neglect animals are also going to neglect the other things in their lives. They're going to victimize the weakest members of the household who aren't able to speak up for themselves, like the elderly, like children.
Leaders say there is still the challenge, though, of successfully prosecuting these criminal cases. Sheriff John Allen is looking into ways to change state law to help make the task force more effective, but we'll have to wait until the next legislative session to see if that happens. Trevor?
All right, we'll be following that story then. Julie, thank you so much.